tonight. All in the mood for a melody, and you got us feeling alright. Hey guys, we are headed to the post office today, and yeah, I'm gonna do a little ride along. This is part of my video for my 50 by Friday. Just a little peek into my life. I'm gonna get some wings, and Remy's coming for the ride. Right, buddy? You coming? You coming for the ride? Anyway, enjoy. Go and brush your shoulders off. Pimps too, go brush your shoulders off. I've met so many men, and it's like they're all the same. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. Funny story about this song. When I lived in St. Kitts for 3 years for vet school, the DJs down there just like played whatever they wanted. So I was driving home from school one day. They literally played this song like 3 times in a row. They were just like, the DJ was just like, let's hear that one again. It was really funny. It's sad and it's sweet, and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. He gets me my drinks for free, and he's quick with a joke or to light up your smoke. But there's some place that he'd rather be. As the businessman slowly gets stoned, yes, they're sharing a drink they call loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone. So I don't know if you can see, but both of the boxes that are big enough to put packages in are completely stuffed to the brim. So I ended up having to go inside. And here Remy is just living his best life. Enjoying the open window and going to the post office with me. Remy, over. 'Cause he knows that it's me they've been coming to see. Had some packages to drop off from the from the auction, and a couple sales finally. Not the best sales, but we'll take them. So enjoy the ride along with me and Remy as I'm actually gonna go pick up some wings now. Yay, wings. And then we're going back home. But the music will continue. Always love you for what it's worth. Cleaning on the overpass. I may change the way you think of us. Maybe you'll never be lost on me. You stupid girl. You stupid girl. I can't believe you're faking it. One of my first concerts at Virginia Tech was Garbage and Lit. Yep, dating myself on that one. You say you love me, but I don't care. Stepping time, stepping time, stepping time, stepping time. We are on our way to the Remy's face. We're on the way to the post office again. A little ride along. This is gonna be the end of the video. We hit our goal. We got 55 by Friday. So super proud of myself. I'm going to try and do this definitely more often. It was nice to kind of get stuff listed. A couple things actually sold that I listed fairly recently. So super happy about that. And it just shows you it's a money pile, not a death pile. So gotta get that money. And of course Remy's coming along for the ride, right? Yeah, you coming along for the ride. So enjoy. I'm still trying to find a good song. Meet me at a spot. Meet me at a spot. There's something I want to show you. Meet me at a spot. They can't find us there.
I'm 23 now, will I live to see 24? The way things are going, I don't know.
Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Money in the power, minute after minute, hour after hour. Everybody's standing.
How can they reach me?
I guess they can't. I guess they won't.
I guess they front.
Cause you were always in the front row. So what are you doing now? I wanna be 20 something. It's still in my head now. 17 in my bedroom talking. You said that I'd stay. Remy, over. How are you losing money? I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. That's not my name. That's not my name. That's not my name. That's not my name.
They call me hell. They call me Stitcher.
That's not my name. That's not my name. That's not my name. That's not my name.
They call me hell. They call me her. They call me hell. They call me Stitcher. That's not my name.
They call me Hush. They call me Stacy. They call me Hub. They call me Jane. That's not my name. That's not my name. Well, guys, we did it slowly but surely, and proud of all of us that hit our 50 by Friday goal. I hope this is a fun little video for you guys. This will probably be coming out Tuesday after the fact. So have a great one, and always remember to help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. All right, bye from both of us. Bye.